In this Sailing Doodles, we welcome our new crew member, we replace the isinglass, and then finally get underway. Thank you so much to our patrons for making this channel possible. Our patrons get access to patron-only updates like this clip, and we'll have a drawing next month for one of our patrons to join us for a sail. Well, a lot of people have been asking about crew. I'm sure you don't want to watch me sail alone, although the dogs I'm sure would be entertaining enough, but you know, I get it. So I brought on another crew member, and here she is.
Hi.
This is Taylor, and tell them where you're from.
I'm from E03, Ontario, so just about an hour outside of Toronto, Canada.
And you excited about this upcoming trip? Or,
I'm really excited.
Yeah?
Very excited.
What are you most looking forward to?
Warm weather, beaches, and good sailing.
All those things, well, they do have beaches and sailing in Canada, but not warm weather right now.
Yes.
So we're going to the warm weather. All right, so if you would like to know more about Taylor, I've started a podcast and we did a whole like 25-30 minute interview with her, and there's a link in the show notes or at the end of this video. You can watch that. So all right, and then we're also going to start her own channel, so look for that in the future. She's quite the guitar player, so we're going to start her
a little bit.
Yeah, so we're going to start her little thing on that. So stay tuned and we'll be releasing that soon.
Awesome.
Our isinglass was in desperate need of changing, so it's time to do that. One thing that we have to take care of, well, before we get going really too much, is that it's got a full enclosure for the cockpit, and most of it's in pretty good shape except for the Dodger.
Ooh.
Look how bad that is.
Yeah.
So what we need to do is we're going to rip all the stitches off of this, and I bought some new isinglass. So we rip all the stitches off, take it off, and then we put it over the new isinglass, cut out the right pattern, and then we got to stitch it back in because this stuff is not salvageable.
Pretty bad.
Well, grab one. The old isinglass came out a lot easier than we were expecting.
Woo.
I can't see you. Oh, there you are. Yeah, it's not good for visibility here. So that came out a lot faster than I thought it was going to happen. So
See me through it this time. This is the new glass we got, the new isinglass. It was like about $100 on Amazon. It's much better than the old stuff, that's for sure.
in hindsight, I might have purchased a slightly higher quality isinglass, as this one was just a little bit filmy. After cutting out the isinglass, we attached it with a little bit of basting tape, and it was time to start sewing. Yeah, it's not a sailrite, and it struggles at times, but it seems to be doing okay. The work can be quite tedious at times, but between the two of us, we had a few of them done fairly quickly. Today is the big day. We're getting ready to go. We'll give you a better tour of the boat as we have it finished out in a little while. We normally have some nice rugs here, but somebody got sick last night and diarrheaed everywhere. No, it was not Taylor. It was him. It was not Taylor. It was him. And so our rugs were being washed and dried. That's the nice thing about having a dryer. Look at that. A real dryer. It's awesome. So drying this stuff out, we'll put the rugs back down. We got a couple last minute errands to run, and then we're heading out. Are you excited?
So excited, ready to go.
All right, so let's, every journey begins with a first step, but we still got some more errands to run, so.
Let's do it.
All right. We are disconnecting shore power. We have Jeff and Cameron, probably the awesomest patrons anybody could have. Thank you for coming out to help us get off. And we are gonna get out of here. Hopefully the bow thruster works, we'll see. We are officially on our way to the Caribbean. It might take a few weeks to get there, but we're headed there. You excited, Taylor? Woo! Woo! Thanks, guys. They're excited too. It was a cool and overcast day with absolutely no wind, but it was time to head out anyway. Oh yeah, I'm ready to go. It's only 40 miles down to Solomon's today, And Maverick's looking forward to it. He's feeling a little better, I hope. Oh, he wants some more pets. But he's like, how can these people say, how can you do this, dog? Look at this dog. Oh, yeah. See, he's happy. Yeah, aren't you?
I'm so excited! Woo! Best spot on the whole boat, right here.
It was smooth going, but you really had to keep an eye out for all the crab pots. With nothing to do but dodge crab pots, we decided to continue work on the isinglass. So far, so good. A good little sail today. Got some stuff done, actually. So far, we've replaced the isinglass on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to go. So it's really, now I've gotten down. I can do it. I can do one in about 45 minutes. I can do one thing from start to finish. That's just me doing it without her helping, but she helps too. Really, we're using like a Brother sewing machine. I finally have the settings, I think, right where it works pretty good. Like the stitching on these first ones I did looks awful, but you know, we're just gonna color it in with a blue marker, let it make it kind of fade in. But on all the ones I've done since are much better looking. So live and learn. Next time I do these, I'll be a lot better at it, and I'll probably use a Sailrite sewing machine, because it is kind of annoying. Even though I've got the settings right where it works well, it keeps breaking the line a lot because it's just not made for that. But anyway, so got some stuff done. We're almost there to Solomon's, and tiki bar time. What do you think, Goose? You ready to get some shore time? Yeah? The Solomons are one of the more popular destinations in the Chesapeake during the summertime, but at this time of year, it wasn't too crowded. First leg is successful. Now we got to make sure the windlass still works. It worked on the sea trial. It's kind of a unique windlass. It's, well, it's not unique. It's a really powerful windlass. It's a nice big one, but it doesn't have a down. So it free falls down and just, it's got a button for up. So we'll see how that works. All right, so we're gonna unlock it. There you go. And so now it's going down. And then to stop it, you just do that. All right, so the only the issue is when you use a windlass and you're going down, it's generally, depends on the windlass, can be calibrated at 2 or 3 feet of chain per second. With this, you're just putting it down under its own speed, so it's really kind of hard to tell how much you got. I don't even know if this chain is marked. So basically, we'll see how this goes. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of position the boat where I want you to be, and then you just basically let it start going, and then, but don't let it go too fast, right? Just keep it controlled. We made it.
Woo!
There you go.
We just anchored.
There you go.
Good job.
Yeah, all right, so I think I want to like clean off while we got the hot water from the engine, and then I think it's tiki bar time.
Definitely. Sounds like a good plan.
Let's do it.
All right.
All right, this is our first attempt at loading the boys in the dinghy from the boat. I think I'm gonna have to build like a platform that they can get down to and then onto the dinghy. So maybe we'll do that tomorrow. Maverick. Okay, come on. You wanna come, Goose?
Good boy. You got it, Goose.
Come on. Come on.
Oh, Maverick's just gonna go for it. Go, buddy, go. You're so silly.
All right, who wants to go? Who wants to be brave? Maverick, you're normally the brave one on this kind of stuff. Come on, let's go. Come on, you got this. I got you, man. I'm gonna help you. And
Woo, there's one.
go, boy. All right, Goose. Come on, your turn now. Come on. I'm gonna help you. Just slide down. Come on. I got you. There you go.
All right, now it's my turn.
So this little step goes right here. I think I'm gonna build like a little platform that comes out that they can land on that sticks out a little bit, and then they jump on. That's probably the way to do it. So Maverick got into a bag of treats the other day, like ate the whole thing, probably multiple bags. He's kind of a MacGyver at getting that stuff, so he's had diarrhea for like the last 30 hours, and now there's a little bit of blood in it, so we just made a vet appointment for tomorrow morning. We're taking him to the vet.
Poor dude.
And Matt Goose will come for, moral support.
So if you'd like to learn more about Taylor, please check out the Doodles podcast. Thank you so much to our patrons for making this channel possible, and we'd appreciate it if you would like this video and leave us a comment down below.